Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Area Channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to view edit details from community in Lightroom on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here firstly just go ahead to the Lightroom like this, and now in this page you just have to choose the photos edit that you want to see for the details. Here feature it for the all posts on the Lightroom. Yeah guys, I'm gonna scroll it down to see more options. For example, I'm gonna see for this details edits, just tap on the photos or the post, and after I'm gonna tap and hold for a second like this for see the original photos from this post. Yeah guys, if you want to see the details of the edits photo, you just have to swipe up like this, and here at the bottom you can see for the details. You can use it as a reference if you want to edit your photos. You can see here for the whites, for the shadows, for the contrast, and etc. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.